One of the important goals of NC programming is ensuring safety of the part, the stock, and the machine. A new capability in Cimatron 13 called Safe Milling will automatically take into account the part and fixture definitions, eliminating gouges or collisions throughout the NC process, delivering quicker, easier, and safer milling. The user has selected several part surfaces, shown in green, that he wishes to run cleanup on. Activating the Safe Milling option will automatically take into account the part and the fixture surfaces as defined once in the setup procedure. Going into setup, we can see what the user has defined as part and what as fixture. Now we will execute the procedure. This is the resulting toolpath. Zooming in, we can see that the toolpath is trimmed so that it is safe from gouges to the part and free from holder collisions to the fixture. From now on, whenever the Safe Milling option is activated, every NC procedure will automatically be safe from gouges and collisions without user intervention. Safer, easier, faster programming.